We'll now configure the stores demo for the web. You'll need the Genero application server installed and the application server dispatcher running on the machine where the stores demo is located. This enables the Genero web client. So the first thing we'll do is configure the Genero application server for Informix. The as.xcf configuration file, found in the fgl asdir/etc directory, must be modified. However, it's a good idea to make a copy of this file and edit the copy. Under the Web Application Execution Component node, we're going to add the Informix client and database server settings, including path, Informix dir, Informix server, and LD library path. Next, register the stores demo in the application server. Here we've created a new file in fgl asdir/app called stores-gwc.xcf. This file will define how to start the demo from a browser. In the execution section, add the path and the program name as shown. Next, start the Genero application server dispatcher with HTTP dispatch. Or if you created a separate XCF file as we did here, start the dispatcher with that file information. Now you can run the stores demo from a web browser in the Genero web client Ajax. Open your web browser and type in the URL identifying the stores demo. You'll see the first menu. You can click on Customer, and clicking on one ad will allow you to click on the state field and see the state window. Now that you can see its default look and feel, you can begin to customize how it's rendered in the browser. Here we've created another configuration file named stores-gwc2.xcf. This one identifies a different template called main2.xhtml to be used. To create the main2.xhtml file, copy the default XHTML template from fgl asdir tpl set ajax main xhtml and make changes. You can continue to use your terminal editor. However, when you begin to work with XML files, you may want to open them in a more visual editor, such as Genero Studio, for easier viewing and editing. For this demonstration, we'll continue to use VI. In this example, if you look through the file, you'll see that a picture has been identified, a background color has been added, and a cascading style sheet has been named to be used called myfile.css. The next thing you'll do is create the myfile.css file to include the style definition directives that you want to use. And here, if we look at the one that we've created, you'll see that there are style definition directives for things like the header, the window, dialog, menu action, label, and table components. Now you can run the program in the browser again, but point to the stores-gwc2 instead. Here you'll see the changes as defined in your XHTML file and the CSS that was instructed to be used. So as you can see, with some simple modifications, you can have a much different look and feel to the browser rendered application. You can also render the application using Microsoft Silverlight. By changing the output map to point to DUA_SL, you'll use the MS Silverlight rendering. Note that this will be rendered with the default styles and could be further enhanced just as easily as you did with Ajax. This concludes this video, and in the next video, we'll look at reporting.